are saying SHA is not working. SHA is not working. So we are demanding that urgent attention should be addressed, and we have 6 issues that we have identified that we are bringing in this petition. The first issue is total removal of capping model. Capping itolewe isitolewe? Capping itolewe isitolewe? So today we are demanding CS Duale to promptly pay hospitals. Duale alipe asilipe? Duale alipe asilipe?
Nataka kukumbusha TSC kwamba wakati ilichukua medical allowance yetu, hakuna pesa ilitubakishia. Kwa hivyo wanapotuambia tutafute pesa zingine kutoka kwa mfuko, hatuna hizo pesa.
As a frustrated teacher, I'm really wondering, even if I went to hospital, Waziri has moved capping from 12 to 4. The same hospital does not have drugs that these teachers are supposed to use. Of what value is it?